Hey, welcome back to the channel, CGR. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video on a jewelry company that I found through Facebook. I'm sure if you're looking at this video, I'm sure you've seen them on Instagram, Facebook. This name comes up to me on YouTube sometimes. This is my second chain that I got from them, and I really like their material and everything and the quality about it. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on the second chain I got today. Let me show you what it is. This one is a clustered tennis chain in white gold, as you can see. It is 22 millimeters. It is, my bad, it is 22 in length, 22 inches, and the width of the chain is 6 millimeters. So here are some stuff on it. So you can see it's made out of copper, white gold plate, flawless VVS, simulant diamonds. You can get an 18 or 22. That's the biggest you could get, so I got a 22. 6 mil, and it comes with the chain, a dust bag, a gift box, a jewelry cloth, and a warranty card. And these have lifetime warranty. So I want to do an unboxing on this one. So as you can see, they'll give you all your tracking info, lifetime guarantee, and you do have, I believe it's about a 30-day money back. And what I do like is that when you buy something from them, let me look at my orders. Before they actually ship it out to you, they will actually send you a picture of exactly how it looks before they even ship it out to you. So let's see if I could track it real quick. Even, it'll show me the picture here. So you can see how it looks. They show you exactly how it comes out before they even ship it to you. So I thought that was pretty cool. This is coming all the way from China. There is an option to do express shipping. I've never done it. This chain, I ordered it probably like January 1st, so it took like about 2 weeks to get here, which was normal because it's holiday time. But the first one I ordered got here probably within the week. Considering it's coming from all the way over there, that's pretty fast shipping. And for $3 at the end when you're shopping, it does give you like a purchase guarantee. So for whatever you bought the chain, for just keeping that $3, they guarantee if it's lost, they'll return that money back. So just keep that option in there. So let's unbox this. So as you can see, here is the chain, and this thing is clean. I'll just lay it down there real quick, and then you get your warranty card. So I saved this somewhere. You do get a bag if you want to put it away. I've never put it in a bag. I have a certain place where I just put all this stuff at. Little cloth to clean it. A little card to tell you how to clean the, how to preserve it, how to clean it. Good info. And on here, it comes with a code for 30% off your next purchase. Unfortunately, I can't show you that part because then I can't use the code anymore. So what I'm going to do next is unwrap the chain. It is wrapped in this plastic wrap. Some people call it like snake wrap, or a lot of people use the term like condom plastic. But it's a pain to take off. So I'm gonna pause the video, take it off real quick. I'll show you how the chain looks. Okay, so finally, after about like 5 to 10 minutes of trying to take that wrap off, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's probably the worst part, worst experience, and time consuming. It is frustrating. You want to take your time. I use a small pair of scissors to rip it off. It is impossible to try to unwrap it, and especially with the chain moving. So be careful, because you don't want to yank the plastic too hard and you could damage the chain, possibly. That plastic is hard, so just take your time with it. And what I normally do after I get it, I just verify nothing is missing. There's no stones missing. All looks good. This chain, honestly, this tennis chain, this is a tennis chain cluster. It is super nice. And if you're wondering about the clasp, here it is. So it's got some good weight to it as well. It'll go like this. It basically hooks on there like that, and you can hear it. Look. Now this thing's on there real good. I take it off a tripod. So this is how it looks. This thing is awesome, man. Let me show you the shine factor. This thing, if you wear it at night to like a club or anywhere, this thing is gonna pop. And you could still get like on their website they have some diamond crosses with about the same pattern, which I feel like I'm gonna have to buy, and this will match it perfectly. But this chain alone, just wearing it, this thing is gonna pop. Watch. I'll turn off the light. I'll turn off my flashlight on my phone. Just look at it. This thing has some shine to it. I'm telling you, this is the Goose Shop. There are about 3 other companies I know of. And there's nothing wrong with the other companies, but sometimes like when I buy something off of this one company and I've had no issues, I don't need to go buy it from the other place. Unless the other place has something like this or something different that they don't carry, I've had no problems with them. And their prices, it's not worth giving you the price right now, because the price could be different, especially if you look for it on a holiday, if you get a coupon code, so the price varies. So you can always be on the lookout for that. Everything's good. Like I said, this is something I do recommend to buy. And this clasp is real hard to open. Like I need to put this phone down and grab it real hard so it's not gonna fall off. And I like how the diamonds, so as you can see, they got like a lot of flexibility. See? So when you're wearing it, it doesn't get tangled. This thing is sharp. This thing is sharp looking for sure. Will this be my last chain I buy from the Goose Shop? No. I know of the Goose Shop. We know of GLD. GLD is very nice, but it is super high price for what you're about to get, like here. About the same thing. Another place I like to shop at is Drip Talk Jewelry. They're a very good place to look into as well. And they're, like I said, I first didn't want to get it because it is from China, and I didn't want to wait like 2 months, 2.5 months, 3 months. We've all been there. We've all purchased something from China, and you know how long that could take. This shipping was fast. 2 weeks, I got it. And that's because it was like right after the holiday. So, like I said, I do have another Cuban. I have a Cuban link one. I will make a video on that one. That one was 14 millimeter in thickness, and that is a 24. Man, that thing is sharp. And I also have a Jesus piece that when you wear it together, that thing is awesome. So man, check them out. Goose Shop. Here you go. Like I said, this is why I wouldn't put it in the bag, because you know it would have to fold so much. I have somewhere I just layer my chains out on the cloth. It is Goose Shop, thegooseshop.com. Check this website out. They have really good stuff. They got a lot of pendants I do want to buy. They got rings. They got moissanite rings, earrings, bracelets, custom-made pendants. They got a lot of stuff on there. So I'm not disappointed with this purchase. See, this is how it looks. It is sharp looking. So I hope you like this, and if you into any reviews, jewelry shopping, man, subscribe to this channel. This is not my first video I'm gonna make on these guys. Anything I purchase from them, I will be doing a video, an unbox, and my personal opinions on how it looks. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.